Hello friends, welcome back. This video is to treat eek in your flower horn fish or any other fish. So basically this flower horn baby, I have noticed some eek developing. I hope the camera captures it. In the tail you can see white dots. It has spread little bit to its head as well. I hope you can get it. See, the head has also been spread. So I will use potassium permanganate solution to treat eek in fish. This is the potassium permanganate I will be using. I will be using 0.3 to 0.4 grams in this whole aquarium, that is 210 liters in case of mine. So let's make the solution. I have prepared the solution, 0.3 to 0.4 grams I have mixed here. It is very dark in color. Also I have stopped my canister filter, only the air bubble is there. So I will put this solution inside. The canister filter will not run. After filling, let's see. This is the partition side, so I am putting it here as well. Okay, now this whole coloration will become little lighter in the whole aquarium. So after the color, pink color changes to little bit tan, I will clean my tank. First of all, let's wait for this potassium permanganate to work. The pink color is the activated color. When it is deactivated, it will turn into a tan color. Till then, let's wait and observe the fish very closely. We have to monitor it. If they feel stressed, we have to immediately remove the water. So it is very risky. We have to be very careful while doing it. Let's wait and watch. Right now, the time you can see, it's 4:03. It's 10 minutes is over now. In 10 minutes you can still see the pinkish color is turning tan very slowly, but it has not yet turned. So we will wait a bit. And all the fish is okay, healthy, no stress sign. The canister filter is turned off. Only the air bubble is going on. This treatment is only for the external parasites and itch that happens in fish. And for the internal parasite treatment, I will be uploading a video very shortly, how to treat the internal bacteria or bloating of any fish. So that will I upload in few days time. So let's wait and see that coloration change. Hey friends, it's 40 minutes now. You can check. This side of the partition, the pink color has almost disappeared, and this side a slight tannish color is coming on. So I will clear the water, I will reduce the water, and I will try to clean the whole tank and replace with fresh water, because using potassium permanganate it's better to clean the whole water. Also, normally I do this process once in a month. Last month I have done around on 20th of June, and today is the 14th of June. So okay, near about, that's why I didn't took any risk. Also this new fish has got some eek, and also the old fishes are there. So it's better to prevent it from spreading, because eek spreads very fast. It reproduces very fast. That's why, and also to disinfect the aquarium as well. I have done the whole aquarium, and if the eek persists in this small baby, I will quarantine it to a quarantine tank, and I will repeat this process another 2 days. That is, once per day I will do it for another 2 days. Okay, now this is the process, and this is only and only for the external parasite, bacteria and this type of eeks. While putting any fish into a fish tank, this process should also be done to disinfect the tank. but this is not for internal parasites or bacteria. That video I will post very soon. So, and also I have not opened my canister filter because there is anti-scalent balls and wood charcoal. For any chemical reactions I have not started, that is the main reason. So I will flush out the whole water and put fresh water and monitor each and every fish and also this baby, and whatever happens I will update you. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps your fish, and if you find it helpful, do subscribe, like, comment and also share. Thanks for watching MRY Nature Aqua.